Hey guys, hope you're well. So today is National Cheese and Wine Day. Or is it Wine and Cheese Day? Anyways, I will be celebrating the cheese part because I don't really drink wine. And today's video is in collaboration with our friends from Cocoa. So the other day I went to Sainsbury's and found their unsweetened coconut milk, and as you know, I love to have cornflakes in the morning. I tried it with that and it tastes amazing. It's like a lighter kind of Thai dessert. I don't know how to describe to you, so if you get a chance, try to buy the honey nut cornflakes and try to get the unsweetened dairy-free milk by Cocoa and just mix it up and you'll know what I mean. I've personally never tried vegan cheese before and they were saying like they have one of the best here. So I thought of, okay, let's do a collaboration. I'll be making something with your cheese and see if it turns out well. So today I'll be sharing with you my recipe of a vegan cheese. Do you even call it a cheese when it's vegan? Anyway, a vegan cheese creamy pasta using some vegan cheese, of course. So first of all, let's cook the pasta. Now, make sure you salt the water. And as you can see, I'm using a wok here because my wok is big enough to fit the whole pasta in. Now while that is cooking, let's prep the other ingredients. So I have over here some oyster mushroom. Now guys, oyster mushroom is quite delicious because they have like a mild flavor to them and a velvety texture, which I really like. So back in Malaysia, we have abundance of oyster mushrooms. So what we normally do is we dip them in a batter and then just deep fry them, and it's just amazing with like sweet chili paste. Now I'm not cutting them into too small because I still want to have that meaty chunk over there. Now the next part is to bring in a bit of color to our pasta. I am using some sun-dried tomatoes. Now similar to the oyster mushroom, I'm just going to cut them into thick slices. Alright guys, now that our pasta is al dente, we're going to just pour away the hot water and then rinse it with some cold water. Now the pasta is ready, we're going to start cooking it. So the first thing that we're going to do is add in some oil to our wok. Let's throw in the mushroom first. Just going to saute the mushroom so that it's slightly brownish. I'm going to add in the sun-dried tomatoes. Now turn your heat to low, and now we're going to add in some cream cheese. I'm using some Cocoa dairy-free cream cheese over here. Wow, it smells like cream cheese. That's quite cool. Well, let's give it a go. It tastes kind of like cream cheese as well. Wow, that is quite cool. And I kind of like that it's got like a nice coconutty hint at the end because I love coconut. So I'm gonna take a good dollop over here. I'm using the full. There we go. Now you can actually get Cocoa's dairy-free cheeses from Waitrose or independent health stores. So look, this is kind of amazing. It actually melts. Now because I've got a lot of pasta, I'm adding 2 instead of 1. Oh guys, wow. Okay. Now to our delicious creamy sauce, I'm gonna add some black pepper. And now we're gonna throw in our pasta. Wow. Then to that, let's add some fire chili paste to give it a nice spice and flavor. I am adding 1 big tablespoon to it. Okay, and I'm gonna season it with a bit more salt. If there's a final good mix, I just love it. Let's just plate it up now. Now, this cheese over here is so cool because I have never tasted anything close to this. This is like, it looks like a block of cheddar and it smells like it too. The thing is, when you break it, and like that, it's got that texture as well, which is pretty awesome. Now, I'm gonna add a few slices on top of our pasta. Now to finish this dish, I'm just gonna add a few touch of parsley. it smells so cheesy, which is quite cool. Okay guys, time to tuck in. Wow, look at that. Wow guys, I'm quite impressed with how velvety and creamy it tastes. And the fire chili paste blends so well with the vegan cheese. I'm really impressed. If you got any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra! Guys, now we have our pasta lady. Okay guys.
Pasta lady pasta man Pasta gentleman.
Stop it. Okay guys, so now we have okay guys, now alright guys, so now the pasta is ready.